Here's a quick walk around of my new favorite tool right here. Go around the back. This material here is padded. Sort of ends up kind of in the small of your back. Padded shoulder straps. There's also another strap to restrain it in front of your chest. You come around to the side right here. You can see this is where the hard connection is to the tubing. So I suspect you could actually use a longer hose for your setup for spraying. This is one of those types of crazy wands that works really, really well when you're trying to water something. As luck would have it, this particular pressure sprayer actually has a volume control on it. There's a variable potentiometer, or a volume control, or a knob, rheostat, whatever you want to call it. There's also a main power switch right there just above it. You can turn that on right there and get power to the pump. You dial that right there. You can hear that sound. The pump starts to function. So I've already used this thing, let's see, 3 times. It's got a lithium-ion battery. Here's the details. Vevor 4-gallon, 16-liter, 12-volt, 8-amp-hour lithium-ion. Yeah, right. Yeah, this is one of them batteries that lasts a while. So we're going to find out whether or not it works for the 4th full tank. So we're working on what? Gallons 12 through 16. Yes. And it's worked so far, so I have no reason to believe it wouldn't otherwise. For the most part, it's pretty robust. I like the plastic. I like the strength of this plastic. I like it's translucent. I can see how much is in it. 4 gallons is kind of heavy, so if you're really not physically fit, this is probably not going to be up your alley. But they make a version that rolls on wheels also, and it has a longer hose. So that's the kind of a tool that someone who maybe isn't so well adept at, you know, lugging around something that's whatever. On 9 pounds per gallon and 4 gallons, so, you know, you're looking at whatever, quite a bit of weight, right? If you math yourself, you'll see that's quite a bit of weight. But I just want to show you how good it works. I'm going to throw it onto my back and turn around. We're going to water a couple. All right, so for safety's sake, I've got it turned off. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and reach back there and flick the switch. Now we're going to go over here and maybe put some water on our garlics. Yeah. It's not really water. It's compost tea, but we're going to do it anyway. Let's just make pretend it's water. You're watering, right? Watch how easy this is. See that? It's ridiculous. It's so easy. I'm going to go over these guys a couple times and they're done. This compost tea has some nutrients in it, so I'm taking care of these babies. Let's go spray something else. That was so fun. Look at that crazy snow. And then right there under my wand, strawberry. 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 Strawberries. Yeah, strawberries everywhere. Let's water something else. This is fun. Let's give these walking onions a little love. See how easy that is? I mean, holy cow, I don't know why I ever used the type that wasn't battery powered. Oh, well, we used to do everything manpower, and now I'm doing it battery powered.